In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance in American Eagle 2026, step by step. Before we start, have your American Eagle gift card and its PIN handy. You'll need both to see the balance. If your card has a scratch-off panel on the back, gently reveal the PIN first. And remember, never share your card number or PIN publicly. Open your browser and head to the official American Eagle website. Once the homepage loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, we're going to use the site's footer to get exactly where we need to go. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. The footer houses a lot of helpful links, and that's where the gift card tools live. At the bottom, look for the gift cards link and click it. This takes you to the dedicated gift card page, where you can learn about purchasing cards and, most importantly, manage existing ones. Give the page a moment to load fully so every section appears. On the gift card page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Check Your Balance. It's usually a clear button or section that stands out. Click it to open the balance checker. You'll see two main fields, one for your gift card number and one for your PIN. Carefully type your gift card number exactly as it appears on the card. If you see spaces or dashes printed on the card, follow the on-screen instructions about whether to include them. Next, enter the PIN. Be precise here. Mistyping even one digit can cause an error. If you're copying from an email gift card, consider pasting into a temporary note first to remove stray spaces, then paste it into the field. Below those fields, complete the reCAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. This might be as simple as checking a box, or you may be asked to select a few images. Take your time and complete it as prompted. Once everything is filled in and the reCAPTCHA is done, click the Check Balance button. The site will process your request and display your current gift card balance on the screen. If the page spins longer than expected, give it a moment, then try again. If you see an error, double check that the card number and PIN were entered correctly and that you're using an American Eagle card. When the balance appears, consider taking a quick screenshot or jotting it down so you have it for your next shopping trip. That's it. You've checked your American Eagle gift card balance.